Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So yesterday we were discussing about the different important formula uh, and also the values of trigonometric functions in different quadrants, and also for the functions with allied angles. Allied angles means 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 minus x, pi plus x, okay, and 2 pi minus x. So different forms, uh, and its value is also obtained with the help of quadrant. So all that things you study yesterday. So from today we have all we trying to solve the, that means the questions based on that means which we discussing on yesterday. Okay. So after completing the questions, we again discussing the next formula such as uh, that is also known as half angle relation formula, and also the trigonometry as the product and as the sum or difference form. So here we have different forms of trigonometric functions, and so many identities related to that. Okay, and your last topic for the trigonometry is trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation. So in that chapter, you learn how you or study how you find or solve the trigonometric equations. So or solve it. Understand? So there are two types of solutions in trigonometry. One is known as principal solution, and the other is known as general solution. So all uh, we are discussing about all that topics step by step. So yes, write it. Write first question. Prove the following. Prove the following. So in that, your first question is here you have to prove 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Here you have to prove it. So no doubt. Here you have to take left side, putting its values and simplifying. Understand? So if you take left side, so you can write 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. Okay, 3 into, you know the value of sine pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree.
30.
Yes. So sine pi by 6,
30 degree.
yes, 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2.
1 upon root.
Understand? And sec pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60
Yes.
degree. So sec pi by 3 is 2. Sec pi by 3 is 2. Now, in next step, minus 4 sine, just listen, sine pi by 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. And yes, no, cot pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree, and cot 45 pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, now here you see that 2 and 2 is cancel out, and here you have 3 minus 4 into, just see it. Yes, you know the conversion of that type of result already you studying yesterday. Okay, so sine pi minus x type is this function. So sine pi minus x means it lying in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive. So you can write it sine pi by 6. Okay, so one is no problem. So here you can write 3 minus 4 into value of sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So that is uh, uh, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So in this way, you can simplifying its value. In this way, you can simplifying its value. Okay, note it. In the same way, your next question, are you noted, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now, second, yes, trying to prove it. 2 sine square pi by 6, 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6, cosec square 7 pi by 6, cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. Is equal to 3 upon 2. You have to prove it. Yes, trying to solve. Only you have to putting its value. Only the conversion is here. In place of 7 pi by 6, what you write? Pi plus pi by 6. Now check, when you write pi plus pi by 6, in that case, cosec lying in which quadrant? So pi plus x means it lying in third quadrant. You have to learn in this way. So in third quadrant, cosec is negative. Okay, so applying it. So taking left side, 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosec square pi plus pi by 6 and cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So square of 1 by 2. You can write in this way. Here you have 2 into 1 by 4 plus cosec pi minus x. That means it lying in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosec is negative. So you write minus cosec pi by 6 whole square into 1 by 4. Into 1 by 4. No, it be 1 by 2 plus cosec pi by 6 is 2 and square of 2 into 1 by 4. So if you cancel it, here you have 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 and is equal to 3 by 2, which is your right side. Which is your right side. Prerit, are you done? Prerit Srivastav. Okay. In the same way, next question, third, cos pi plus x, cos pi plus x into cos minus x whole upon sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x is equal to cot square x. You have to prove it. Yes, taking left side and applying the concept which you already know. So if you take left side, so you write the part which is in left side, cos pi plus x, cos of minus x whole divided by sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, now just see the quadrant, cos pi plus x. So pi plus x means it lying in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos is negative. So you write minus cos x. What you write? Minus cos x. And cos of minus x is equal to cos x. So here you write cos x. In the same way, sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x, it lying in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So you can write sin x. And cos pi by 2 plus x, it lying in which quadrant? Pi by 2 plus x, second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is negative. So you write minus. But due to pi by 2, it changed into sine. So you can write it is sin x, minus sin x. Now see, minus and minus is cancel out. Okay, cos x into cos x, cos square x upon sin square x. So you have cos square x upon sin square x is equal to cot square x. It is equal to cot square x, and is your solution, right side. You trying to learn all that result with the help of figure, okay, which I discussed it on yesterday. Now next question. Question number 4. Yes, prove it. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos